Hey everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I've got a maybe someday box that I reached in and grabbed out. This is one from a while back ago where I did a rolled inclusion of some I think that's the ultramarine blue with some translucent and some star and moon glitters, and I think maybe there even is some black embossing powder, chunky weathered embossing powder. I'm gonna try to recreate a piece I did a while back ago, kind of. Now, it didn't have anything like that, but I've already created another, the top piece, let's say. Okay, that rolled well. This is Cool Tools. I believe it's called Ancient People. Most of them come in a big size, but they also come in this little, I don't know, what is that, 2x4? This one's called Rainy Day Texture Tile. Now, the stickers don't stick really well because, of course, this is silicone, so anyway, this one is the Ancient People. This is gonna be ridiculously simple. Now, I've done lots of videos on my rolled inclusion technique, okay? So, I'll either link above, or you can just go back and watch. Let's see. That was just a little liquid Sculpey. Bacon bond, whatever you want to use. A baking tile. Remove it from my silicone. Which normally it wouldn't stick to, but seriously, in order to condition this is just like 3/4 granite, the Primo granite, with just 1/4 of this Primo, I think it's silver glitter. Your guess is as good as mine. Wait. White. No, I can't read it. Anyway, so it really just wants to break. But here's to hoping that when we bake it, it will come back together. Okay. Something like that. But I want to Let's see. Okay. I just kind of compressed it just a little bit. Okay, to put a little hole. Now that I just put that hole, I can see it is not gonna work at all. Because of course all it wants to do is just break on me. Okay, so I mashed it back down. Okay, this is the Rust-Oleum water-based gloss sealer. I did UV resin the back of this one just because it was a little thin, so just to give it some added strength. I'm going to do what I call a flood coat on this stone, whatever you want to call it. And a flood coat just means I'm going to flood it with the gloss sealer so it won't have any brush strokes. Sorry, I bumped the camera. Okay, and if it has bubbles, just a quick blow. Should pop them. Okay, now I'm going to let that dry, and it may actually need a second coat just because some of those stars are still trying to stick up. So I'm going to set that aside and let it dry. Now, I'm going to put this brush in my water because I don't want to contaminate the brush that I put the clear gloss sealer on with the brush that I put this Deco Art gel stain in the ebony. I can never open this. Possibly because the lid is not nice and clean. Now it is. Okay, I'm just gonna slather it on, so to speak. Okay. These little pinch bells I got off of Amazon, but they're actually Panda Hall pinch bells. That's what it said on the packaging. Sorry about that. Little interruption. Okay. Just put the little teeth in the hole and pinch. And I just drilled the hole with the Let's Resin electric drill. And I'll show you that in just a minute. These cords also came from Temu. Although I have bought them from Amazon, and they're exactly the same. Well, other than the price. Okay, so there we go. 2 maybe someday pendants. Now, they're a little large, but a lot of people like jewelry that's a little large. So, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watch, including this one. Subscribe and like. It's free. Bye for now.